Hello friends, welcome to Codify. So today we are going to learn one of the most basic but important part of HTML, which is heading and paragraph. If you understand this properly, your website structure will become much cleaner and professional. So what is heading? So first, in HTML, heading are used to define titles and subtitles. There are 6 types of headings from H1 to H6. So H1 is the biggest and most important, and H6 is the smallest. So, um, you know, um, think of it's like a book. H1 is the main title, H2 is the chapter title, and H3 is the subtopic, and so on. Let's see how it works. Here, let's keep H1, H1, which is H1 title, H1 title, or we can give title 1. Title 1, then we can give h2 title 2, then h3 title 3, then h4 title 4, and h5 title 5. Now let's see and execute this command. Okay, let's execute it. So we will open with live server. So here you can see the output. So each one is the biggest, as I mentioned earlier, then title 2, title 3, title 4, and title 5. Okay, here I have mistaken. Here is 4. As you can see from here, title 4 I haven't saved it yet. Yes, so here we can define the headings. Okay, so this is the heading part. Now we will jump into our next part, which is our paragraph. So what is paragraph? So paragraph is nothing but it is used to write normal text content in HTML. We use the a p tag for that. So let's see how we use it. So here under p, if we give John Doe, okay, and another we can have John Cena, for example. Okay, for example, we are giving this 2 names. Now let's save it and let's see what will happen. So you can see here from paragraph we are getting John Doe and John Cena. And how we are getting this red color from the previous lecture, if you see, then in the style we are giving this paragraph as color red. So if we comment it out and then save it, then we will have the black color, okay, the default color. So yes, this is it for our heading and our paragraph. So this is it for this tutorial, and if you like this content, then please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.